If your solos sound like this, then this is why they sound boring. You're just noodling with no rhythm or phrasing. There's no shape, no space, nothing for your listeners to grab onto, so it just falls flat. Here's the fix, and stay with me because this is where it starts to sound good. You start with one simple rhythmic idea, something like this. Make sure it's simple and strong, because now you're going to play it exactly the same again. Then add a variation to develop the idea, something like this. Now listen to this in context. I'm using the same notes as you, but now it actually sounds like music. And the best part is, this works in any style. For example, here's what it sounds like if you're into DJ sax. By the way, if this is useful, hit subscribe. I've got loads more like this for you. But it doesn't only work on one chord groove stuff. Here's what it sounds like over a standard, say softly as in a morning sunrise. It doesn't matter what style you play, this works everywhere. This one technique will transform your boring, noodly solos into coherent and melodic ideas your audience will love. If you want to take this further, I've put together a free masterclass that shows you exactly how to improve every aspect of your sax playing. The link's in the description. I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson. You've been watching Get Your Sax Together. And until I sax up your Sunday next week, make sure that you practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. Take it easy.